I just can't remember those details, come on.
It's very soft.
Ah, this is one of those Gamol alleys. I have to ask a question. Why? Good morning everyone. We are now close to Morro Bay and San Luis Obispo. We're right in the middle actually, and we are about to check both locations out. And it's where we are right now. It's a really nice campground, and we were able to snatch a spot without reservation and for a pretty good price considering. And it looks like a it looks like a hot day is still to come. My Julia is right there, and here we go. We arrived in Morro Bay. Just came from our state park. State park, right? No.
It's a regional park, but that's
it's a regional park. I just can't remember those details, come on. Yeah, it looks like a really cute coastal town, and we're just on the way to the beach to get the girls some cool off as well, because it's very warm today. I think I mentioned that before, so let's see how the beach is. And that, my friends, is Morro Rock. Pretty cool. Like you have all of a sudden this pile of rock right in the middle of flat. Yeah, it's big.
I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's
not sure.
enormous.
That's quite enormous, yeah, you're right. Huh. Impressive.
Yeah.
That factory doesn't really fit into the picture, but let's pretend it's not there. Yeah, it doesn't blend in. That's very cool. Morro Rock, everybody. Not bad.
It's a cute town.
Yeah, it is. We switched on our market radar, and guess what? We found a market, street market. Guess where we're going?
It's very cute.
Morro Bay was fun, but we did want to check out San Luis Obispo as well right after, so here we go. We are now in San Luis Obispo. It's the other 10 minutes in the other direction from our campground. We're right in the middle, that's pretty handy actually. And we just want to check out the mission first. Mission?
Yeah.
Yeah, the mission.
Sure.
It's right there.
In the middle of downtown, which is interesting.
Yeah, I thought it would be.
Usually on the outskirts.
Yeah.
I'm confused about these pay stations because that one has a different number. It'll be fine.
Yeah, because I just paid somewhere for our parking. It's like 2 hour max, and there was no number or anything. But I mean, our license plate.
He went to a pay station that was further down instead of taking the one that's right where we parked.
I didn't see that one.
I don't know how it works seriously.
Help me see, how do I compare a different me? How do I compare? Can we let it be for just a little more. My mind is wide and aching at the core. Do we ever learn before it's too late? Why we keep falling through aeons? Should I believe?
This is one of those Gamol alleys. I have to ask the question, why? It's literally DNA on the wall. Come on. Get out of here now. It's too much.
Like time's been frozen.
We just arrived in Solvang.
Another day, another city.
Yeah.
We've been doing cities all week.
Yeah, and Solvang is supposed to have some. Do they have actually Dutch roots, or is it
Danish. It's a Danish.
Oh,
village.
Danish. Oh, okay. Because when I see the windmills, I think Dutch. Looks nice. Let's check it out.
Looks busy though. So we'll see how that looks. It's
Yeah.
Sunday, of course.
Of course, we come here on a Sunday. Clearly Danish roots. Danish, not Dutch. I learned something. Wichtel. Julia just went to the Danish bakery here. Let's see what you get.
Well, I got one for you that you will hopefully love.
Oh
It looks a
yeah.
little bit sad, like there's not enough almond on it, but we shall see. It should.
Let's see.
If it's. You don't get any of this. No.
Wow.
Yeah?
Almost there. Yeah.
Huh? Because I'm using the sliced almond.
Yep. Usually, if you buy that in Europe, you would see the sliced almond, but there are different styles of it. So. Oh.
I got you that.
You see those a lot in Europe.
Yes.
Here comes the part where we are asking ourselves if Solvang feels as European as it would in Europe. Since the town has Danish heritage and a lot of buildings that seem to be built to give that impression, let's see what we concluded.
Julia just said what really fits. It feels European, but it's not.
It looks it and well it looks it, but it doesn't feel it.
Yeah, there's this hint that's missing, I guess.
I think it's because. Oh, sorry, baby.
I think it's
I can't even
the
pinpoint it.
street parking is one of the things.
Street parking, it's the wide roads.
Yeah.
I don't know. But
Wide.
they have like Rebdächer and stuff.
Yeah, the roofs, they are very similar.
Fachwerk. I don't
Yeah.
know what that is in English.
I'm not sure.
I
It's
should know.
That's not real. I don't think that's real.
No,
No,
it's not.
no. This is the style of house building in Denmark, or this European style of house building. You have the wood structure, and it's then being filled with hay, and then this covered clay covering. But I can see this is not real. This is
No, these are just boards and not beams. They're
yeah.
just boards.
Let's check if it's real. Ah, nope, that's boards in front of it. Well, the look is there.
The look is there.
The look
And
is-
yeah, I guess maybe that's why it doesn't feel. But it's cute.
Yeah, it's
I
cute.
enjoy it.
Yeah.
Feel like in Disneyland or something. This one's Juno, and that one's Layla. She likes to give kisses.
Oh, Leila.
There you go.
Oh my god, and I love to get kisses, Leila.
She says she's 60 pounds, she'll take you out.
Oh, that's alright. 100 and some, I'll take her out.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Juno. Oh my.
She's a lover.
Yeah, that's pretty much what we do a lot.
That's what happens when we take the girls places.
Yeah, lots of people see them. There's something cool on this wall here of this house where they show all the kings of Denmark. It starts with Gorm the Old. Seems to be the most recent one, and I will quiz you at some point.
Now you know all the kings and queens?
Yeah, no,
No?
no. Coffee inside, without coffee.
We can make coffee.
Yeah, we should.
They each already have a bite out of them.
Yeah, we only couldn't
Because
wait.
I couldn't wait. Sorry.
So this is kind of, we're just comparing to what we know from Germany. I mean, okay, this is Danish.
Danish. Well, this
Base,
is supposed to be German.
Oh yeah, there that's actually said, German based.
Yeah.
So this will be a Berliner. And they call it just a donut? Or?
It's a donut with raspberry filling, but it's not like a donut. It's a German version.
Right.
It's a Berliner. It's like fluffier.
And that usually would be Katzenzunge, right?
No, this is called
Nah.
a shell something. I forget. But this, I don't know if we have this in Germany. Not this shape.
Well, not the shape, no, but this kind of
This is
cookie
like butter cookie, shortbread.
with the chocolate like this and the cream in there. That's
And it would be Katzenzunge in German.
right.
And this is the
Mandelhörnchen.
Mandelhörnchen, almond. They called it a horn, but it's not a horn because it's like like Hörnchen is not a horn. They
Not sure.
call it an almond horn.
Yeah. Okay. And it's very close.
Yeah.
It's probably a little bit too soft compared to what we know, and
And
there
too
would be
slim, like they're usually like
they're
thick
wider
and covered in almond slices.
and harder. Yeah.
Yeah, because the almond slices get all like crispy when
Yeah.
you bake it, and then it's like crispy outside and soft inside. This is all soft.
Now this, what is that?
It's a raspberry square.
That would be not really.
I don't know. It tastes really good.
Maybe that's more the Danish portion.
Maybe.
We will enjoy it.
Yeah, it's what we do when we find like European bakeries and stuff. We buy a sample
And
then we
go
do
for
tasting.
it. So we encountered a culprit. That is that bad?
It's very soft.
Ah, let me try. Let me try.
I expected like a butter cookie, and it's very soft, as if it's like
No.
I don't even know.
Nope. Nope.
I'm gonna have to go and get another one
Yeah.
from a different bakery.
Yeah, and try there, right?
Try that one.
So that one is a no.
But you know, 3 out of 4.
Yep, that's a good
That's good.
good average.
Yeah.
I'm still finishing this too.
Go for it.
Not 100%. You have the German side.
Oh, I didn't even get to the jam. It's a little
take it.
dry, I find.
Yeah, it would be a little bit too dry for Berliner, I think.
Do I hear horses? I hear horses.
Horsies. It's one of their town tours, I think.
Cool.
Cute.
You like it though, hey?
Mm-hmm.
It's close. I think it's...
Actually, I think the dough is not sweet enough.
Oh.
But good try.
Oh.
I'm not complaining. I'm eating, okay? I know I tend to complain a lot. That's the...
We're German.
We're German, so I have to complain.
It's in our DNA.
But we appreciate things too, okay? Good morning, everybody. We are on our way to Santa Barbara today. Yesterday we left Solvang. It was very nice and exhausting. We walked a lot and it was very hot. This last night we actually slept at this vista point because let's be honest, you can't be in state parks all the time or other parks because it gets really expensive, and we like actually waking up in this kind of location. I mean, this is a nice view, right? So unfortunately you see more and more signs that you're not allowed to overnight, and it makes it really difficult. And yeah, that's one thing that we figured out. So we're looking forward to Santa Barbara. We've been there before, but I'm sure it will be great again, and the weather's great. And with this view, waking up, come on.
We hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember to like and subscribe, and join us next time when we continue our journey in Santa Barbara.